Hello class, this is Scott Caruso from MDF1 1302 here with my week 2 reflection video. Welcome to my kitchen, as you can see from the microwave behind me. Week 2 went really well, I thought anyway. And kind of piggybacking off of what I said last week and in the final weeks of AOC. I really feel like I'm getting comfortable in my ability to code, at least within the small subset of Objective C that we've learned so far. Dealing with classes, working between classes, passing data between classes is really turning second nature to me. And what I've really enjoyed about the past couple of weeks, and this week in particular, is it's allowed me to try some different things that I hadn't tried before. This week, as an example, what I did with my freeform UI on one of the tabs was set a segment control that you could set the background color for the application. Very simple, but I then passed that a key value for that background control to the other views as well into the app delegate. And managed to change the background color of all views, not just the main view. Which it sounds really simple at the base level, but really it just kind of reiterates to me the advances that I've made. I also used NS dictionaries instead of arrays to clean up the data that I was passing in. So little things like that I think have really improved my code and it made me feel better about it. We'll go take a look at what I did this week, and I'll show you some of these things that I just talked about. So now let's take a look at the application that I built for this week. It's very simple. We'll go through it real quick. Right here on the main welcome page, you have an option to select your desired viewing experience, default blue or orange. Let's just click through and change the background. Let's say orange is the viewing experience we want. You'll see if you go to one of these other tabs, it maintains the background color that you selected on the main tab. For my navigation control, I did a knock knock joke. You see knock knock, who's there? You can go back to the original if you want. A cow goes who? No silly, a cow goes moo. You can navigate through there. The table view is QA, quality assurance testing related articles. For instance, a survey on software testing practices. It gives you information about that, including the link to the abstract and the information itself up on the resource database. There is one small bug, well, not really small bug, but one bug that I would improve if I had the time to do that, and that is if you change the background color, because of the way it's coded, the background color is called in the view_did_load function. This view here essentially loads once and that's it. So it maintains the old color rather than the new color choice. Now then when you click that button, it updates the way it's supposed to. However, it does not update because these are all subviews that are loading as you need them. So I would actually want to improve that aspect of it. That essentially you have to choose the color up front or else it does not properly adjust. But that's a minor quibble in the grand scheme of things. I can look into fixing that. Everything works mostly as intended, though, outside of that one bug. So that was week 2. Hope everyone had a great week. Happy Valentine's Day. And we'll talk to you again for my week 3 project.